Welcome back to another video, guys. So just a quick swatch video today. I have never ever used or tried You Are Sugar Polygel. These are the coloured polygels I got in one of my last nail art haul videos. So there's an orange, a red, a yellow, a green and a purple. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick swatch today. I'm just going to use alcohol. I am, for a change, I've never done this before, but I am going to start doing it because I think it's just a waste. I'm going to start swatching my polygels on the inside of the swatch stick just because it uses a lot less polygel, and yeah, so I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, I'm just going to use a polygel brush and some alcohol. Let me get some alcohol in this dish. This is my new posh dapping dish that Just Your Nail Addict sent me for Christmas. Right, so I think we'll start with, let's leave them there. We'll start with this one, which is the orange one, and it's URP07. Yeah, I've never tried You Are Sugar polygels, and I wanted some rainbow polygels. I did want the Skyline ones, but they were on holiday and it just wouldn't let me make an order. So yeah, I bought the You Are Sugar ones. Right, so here it goes. Yeah, I'm just going to put them on the inside of my swatch stick. I just think it's a waste. It's very cold as well where I am, but it's actually not that stiff. Doesn't feel too bad actually. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not stiff at all. I wouldn't say it's soft either, but it's definitely quite easy to move around. Yeah, quite like that. Right, there we go, that's the orange, nice bright orange. I quite like that. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, this is the red one, which is URP10. It's got it on the lid as well there, number 10. Yeah, this is my first ever coloured polygels. I've got a few colours. I think I've got a green, a pink and a purple, but they're quite pastel colours, the ones I've got. I wanted some really, you know, like proper red, orange, yellow, green. I wanted to try some of them. This is definitely a proper red. Again, it's very easy to move about. It's not too sticky either. It's not that sticky at all. So that's the red. Very, very nice red. I like that. They're not transparent like some. I've seen some coloured polygels and they're quite sheer and transparent, and I mean that's a really thin coat as well. It's really not a thick coat at all, that isn't. So yeah, I'm quite happy with these colours up to now. Right, this is URP11 and it's the yellow one. Oh, that's a very bright yellow as well. Very opaque colours. I really like these, I do. They've got quite a few more colours. I'm going to be quite tempted to grab some more, I think, because these are really nice and opaque. They're not sheer or transparent at all. Right, so that's the yellow. Again, a really nice opaque yellow. I like that. Right, this is URP12, which is the green. Proper green, that, isn't it? Again, it looks quite opaque. This green looks slightly sheerer than the other colours I've just tried, but still, it's definitely not transparent or anything. So there's the green. Very nice opaque green. And again, that's a very thin layer, so yeah, I'm really happy with these. Really happy with these so far. Right, and lastly we've got what I thought was purple, URP13. But it's not, it's blue. And I've just checked my order, and it is actually a blue that I ordered. I thought, is this in the wrong packet or something? But no, I didn't order a purple, I ordered a blue, so yeah, it's just the sticker on the, looks purple, doesn't it? But it's not, it's quite a dark blue actually. But yeah, I definitely ordered the blue. I say it's a dark blue, it is a kind of purpley kind of blue, isn't it? But yeah, I like that. I do like that colour. Right, so that's the blue. It's definitely more on the blue side than it is purple. When I first pulled it out the tube, I thought it looks a bit purple actually, but no, it's definitely a blue. Right, I'm going to get that cured for 60 seconds, and then we'll have a look at them. Right guys, that's them all done. I'm quite happy with these actually. So that's the 07, which is the orange. It's a really nice orange, like it's not quite a neon. I didn't really want neons, but yeah, they're really opaque. I'm really happy with them because, like I said, it is only a thin layer. They're not jelly-like or transparent. They're not sticky. Yeah, I really liked the consistency as well. They wasn't too stiff or too soft. So yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I think I will get some more colours. That's the red, number 10. Really nice red. Again, completely opaque, and it is a thin coat. So yeah, I really like these. I do. I really like them. Right, then we've got number 11, which is the yellow. Again, completely opaque. They're just, yeah, I really like them. I've seen a few rainbow polygels where they're quite jelly-like and sheer, transparent, but these are really not. So yeah, that's a really nice yellow. I should have zoomed out a bit, shouldn't I? And this is the green, number 12. This is probably the sheerest out of all of them. But again, it is still opaque enough, and it's a thin coat. So if that's the sheerest one, I'm happy. Because yeah, that's fine. Really nice. Proper green, that one. And then lastly, we've got the blue that I thought was a purple, and then decided no, it wasn't a purple, it was a blue. It is one of them blues that has got a slight purple tinge to it, I will say that much, but yeah, that's number 13. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I can't wait for summer. I'll do some really cool designs with these in summer. But I think I will definitely go and get some more colours from this collection. I think there was about maybe 16 colours or something. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I've wanted some rainbow polygels for ages, and now I've got some. They are only 15mm tubes. But yeah, a lot of the time these are just used for an accent nail or to add a bit of colour to a nail. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I will leave the link below to where I got them. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.